Hi guys, watch today's video. I'll be showing you the full tutorial on how to pack this Africa threading hairstyle. This threading hairstyle is trending, is raining everywhere now that almost all the ladies in my areas are making it. Watch the video and see how simple it is to make it. And again, a lot of people were scared of, is this threading not painful? The answer is not painful. Depends on the person that is making it for you. If really you want to enjoy this particular threading hairstyle, while making it, make sure you feel it to notice the pain from the beginning, so you'll be able to address your hairdresser to reduce his or her hand, so that after making all the hair you'll not be feeling pains at the end. This Africa threading is so beautiful that almost all the ladies are carrying it everywhere now. Watch the video because you are going to see the details on how to pack it. It is not just making it, how to pack it really matters. In this video is a full tutorial on how I pack it. Watch, you can see me before packing it. First of all, make sure I bent all the hair to one particular side. Then I started packing it one after the other. Watch and see the full video by yourself. Enjoy the rest of the video. Thank you for always supporting my video. If you are just tuning in, don't forget to subscribe because I'll be giving a lot of full tutorials in this video. Watch the video to the end. Thank you.